Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 3, Whole Number Addition and Subtraction, Lesson 9. Turn to page 37 so you can take notes and follow along. So our vocabulary again from Lesson 3 is still regrouping, but now we're talking about it with subtraction as well. So it says, here's some examples, 75 minus 29. Well, here's the kind of little question that you can ask yourself. More on the floor, go next door and take 10 more. So if we look here, 5 minus 9, we can't do that. There's more on the floor. So we need to go next door and take 10 more. So like in the last lesson, we modeled it with the base 10 blocks. Now we're just going to write it out. We're taking a 10 away from here. So instead of 7, we only have 6 10s. And then we're moving it over here and adding it to that 5. So now we have 15. Well, now 15 minus 9, we can do that. So that's 6. And then you do 6 minus 2 is 4. Again, right here, another example, 64 minus 27. Well, 4 minus 7 we can't do. There's more on the floor, so we need to go next door and take 10 more. So instead of 6 10s, we only have 5 10s. We're going to bring a 10 over here. 10 plus 4 is 14. So then you do 14 minus 7 is 7. And then you do 5 minus 2 is 3. So that's how we get those answers when we have to regroup with subtraction. So if we look here, let's do some practice ones. First, we have 86 minus 54. Well, 6 minus 4 we can do because 4 is not more on the floor. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and then 8 minus 5 is 3. 48 minus 42. Remember, always line it up. Line up those place values. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0, so the answer is just 6. Notice here with number 3, they lined it up. 52 minus 19. Well, 2 minus 9, there's more on the floor, so we had to borrow 1 from here, make that a 4. Borrowed 10, so we're going to make that 12 or that 2 into a 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here it is lined up for us. We can't do 4 minus 8 because 8 is more on the floor, so we got to borrow 10 from here. Instead of 6 10s, we have 5. But we're going to add 10 over here, make that 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Corey has 35 seashells. He gives away 18 seashells. How many seashells does Corey have left? Can Corey subtract the ones digit? Well, if we line it up and we make, he had 35 minus 18. Well, we can't minus the 1 because there's more on the floor right here, 18. So the answer here is no. So we need to regroup 3 10s and 5 1s. So we're going to regroup this like this. We're going to take this 10 and move it over here to make it 1. So now we have 2 10s and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 1s. So when we do that, so we have to now take away 18. So here it is. Here's the picture when it's regrouped. Okay, he gives away 18. So he's giving away 10. So we take that one away. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now he has 110, and then he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones left. So he has 17 seashells left. Okay, we're going to regroup if we need to on these. We'll practice these together. 73 minus 56. Well, there's more on the floor here, so we got to go next door and borrow 10. Take 10 more. So instead of 7, we have 6, and we're going to bring that 10 over here to make 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. Here we have 46 minus 39. Well, again, more on the floor, so we got to go next door and take 10 more. So instead of 4, it's 3. We're bringing that 10 over here to add here. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we'll just leave it like that. It's 7. 83 minus 27, let's rewrite it. So 83 minus 27, well, again, more on the floor right here. So go next door, take 10 more, make the 8 into a 7, and then bring 10 over here. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. So our answer is 56. All right, so when we talk this out using words, subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping, write one number under the other with the greater number on top. Line up the digits with the same place value. So 64 minus 28. To regroup, take 110 from the top in the tens column and add it to the top in the ones column. Rename the digit in the ones column to include the 10. So we could see here, more on the floor. So we took 10 more from over here. We made that 6 into a 5 and added 10 to the 4 to make it 14. Then all you have to do is subtract the digit. It's in the ones column. 14 minus 8 is 6. And then subtract the digit in the tens. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 64 minus 28 equals 36. All right, now on your own, you're going to complete page 39. Remember, you can always use the online Base 10 website to help you. And then if you need additional help, make sure to ask for help. Good luck.